hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Jump.
Yeah, Mila!
Instagram. Don't stop by your mama. Instagram.
People, big up to the cell, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know what the thing go. Big up to my roaster. Crow. Well, ass racing, boy, only in Jamaica, people. See, I don't know if yesterday happened, last year happened, 10 years ago happened, but only in Jamaica. See, love to see how the people are fun in the street. You see me, I say? Well, next video now. Miss Chinna won the vendor they now, people. At a real level, I know a lot of people now, maybe they argue when I talk now. Zane, because I know it, I'm not afraid to talk. I mean, I'm attacking boss. But, on a real level, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to be honest. Zane, no joke about it. Number one, who first touch somebody there? The woman not sure which is the vendor, right? Because this happened in Jamaica, them say, right? Vendor and Chinese woman, boom. The vendor touched the woman. Number one, the human vehicle there, that are the Chinese woman vehicles. In basically, you can see our business place there, so. Honestly, the vendor, you can't say where the chapalin thing, the close to the human vehicle, people. Not joke about it. And I'm not going to be by-sided and I'm not pick up for nobody, but this is reality, people. See, because we travel to, right? We go overseas, go work to, so we know a lot of people are going to say, yo, then come in our country. Then the same so Jamaican got other people country too, and we do have business too, and we do work too. So we want people for treat we good. We don't want because we're in our next man country, then deal with a certain way and treat with a certain way. No. Wrong is wrong and right is right. And who want disagree or who want agree, me not check. Me not care. Me care zero. Look at it now, people. The woman really wrong. Number one, she touched the Chinese woman first. Number one, she tie the thing close to the human vehicle. Which she could never do that to a Jamaican woman. And she would never do it. Honestly, she would never do it. See? But you see in the end, I'm happy how the Chinese woman stand up and defend her thing. I love how she stand up and defend her thing. Me not business people, me not racism or whatever. This is not nothing to do with no racism also. This is just about reality. And if a man really have a good mind and good mentality in that looking at himself and say, you know what, she wrong. Zine, she wrong for touch the woman. Not joke about it. She should never. Zine, in the end, people, we know we do something enough time we make wrongs and make check. I know a lot of Chinese business in Jamaica. I say no way. A lot of hustler did they Chinese not trouble them. Man did they hustle them movie, I hustle them paper, I hustle them clothes and Chinese allow them to hustle did they. Zane. So it's how we deal with things. I know a lot of people who can say dirty Chinese coming out with country and them, this and them, go on like a for them and the government sell out the Chinese. But no man, we have to look into it, people. It's every way, I can't tell you this, you know. You two think say you some country around this, you know. And you will say no Jamaican no did they, you know. You know what I mean? But me I tell you, go in there and go deep and see if you not find a yardie there and watch if you not find a yardie run off something there. Because you see one thing with a yardie, anywhere we go people, we have this mind and this mentality called business minded. And anywhere we go, we always set up something. You know when Jonas says set up shop, yeah, set up shop. We always a hustle. So we don't want to go no we are tired. And nobody deal with a certain way based on the facts of yo, we come from another region. Yes, me know say happening in a lot of places where we do get ill treated and we do get bad treatment and we do get cussing based on the facts that we are not from their country and this and that. But we know, we can show them, so look at them, we're different enough. Then we look and we and say we bad and we country violent and with this and that and Jamaica and this, but look at them, we can be the one to make a difference and look at them say, don't judge we ain't the same like others what you think. See? So we have to deal with people with respect. We give respect and we expect to get back respect. But if we give a bad vibes, people, don't blame myself when I do get back a bad vibes. So I'm happy, Miss Chin turn up to her. No joke about it. See, so nobody now go send me them something and say Neuralink can see how them China. Because people send people them thing at the time, you know. Them words behind it, people, is that Neuralink, look here. You see how them 30 tiny are coming out of country and going like a for them place. But them now look into it and say, Neuralink, look here. Why can't we respect the people them? Yeah. Enough people, as we tell the people, enough people not agree, but me is not no one-sided, man. And people, anybody who know Neuralink knows, so look now, we not be one-sided with things. Neuralink talk the truth. See? So lady, you're wrong. And if you look back in yourself and if you listen to what the attacking boss I say, point blank, you are wrong. And we would never agree with what you do. See? You allow, basically you can see people, they allow her fear on her thing there. But look now, go on now. The human tie this something right with the human vehicle, like you can type on the human vehicle. Wouldn't I say it? And then she comes up and push the woman. She could never do that to a yardie. She know that. See? We have to respect people. Not joke about it. I see something, I think reach more the other people. Me come sabu me now. I'm going to go at a location. See? Yeah, I should do another vlog with this. I just cover it in another vlog. Yeah. See? No, I'm going to do another vlog with it. Before me even talk, I feel like do it in another vlog, people. Yeah, I do it in another vlog. But all me I say, me people, see, we have to respect people. Not joke about it. We have to respect people, man. Nobody because them come from Hutang and this or because you hear the story of them treat other people bad over for them place. No, we know in ourselves how we are doing. See, because we know a lot of China in our country. Because it's not Jamaica alone, China, the people. See, most of the Caribbean countries, them find China, they run business same way. Maybe we have more in Jamaica, you know, because every part in Jamaica and every local town you can find a China who can wholesale and grocery shop. Yeah, see, but we have to be the one to do, set an example. We give respect and we do. Because sometimes we look into the people. You know, sometimes when we be calm and be able to respect and just, you know you're wrong. See, maybe she complain about, you're just humble and just build and, you know, if you're not for the day, you're not for the day. Because by right people, number one, you know, we know this a yard. You have your business just say, you know. You know, so the other man can't come on your turf, can run after it, and boy must sell nothing on your place. See? So if you do get a blind and you do get a chance, it comes a boom. Just angle your business, the man, but not violate the thing. Show your respect, man. See? Show your courtesy where you get. See? But when you go violate the thing now and go around the thing now, you're going wrong this up. And this you are going to get the attack. See? But all I can say my viewers and subscribers, me know that myself say, you know, if a China disrespect me certain way, me I go stand up with my mouth and defend it. You understand? Yes. But me now go come some no say me go in a for them thing and then me I go be the one to put on lick or what. Zine, cause based on the fuck and the video that I saw people are the human first touch her and things. See me I say, so it's the way how we deal with things. So get me I say, yeah man, we know we are yardy and we but now we deal with the thing better. Not joke about it. So we know that the comment that the people may disagree and say only this and that, but I don't know. It's truth and reality, and the truth hurt a lot of people. We know at times we know how we go. See, but we're not a one-sided thing. I mean, I'm attacking boss. So big up to the self people. More love, more respect, more blessings. Stay safe. Do the right thing every time, every day, every night. And you don't know, big up on yourself. Peace, love, respect. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on IG, Neuralink_. Yeah, follow the new IG people. It's a new one we have. And people, please, me have a movement that come, people. See, me have a movement that come when I want to come so boom and help some less fortunate people. And when me talk about less fortunate people, me talk about less fortunate. Me not talk about no young strong people. Me talk about people who need help. See, and me I go in the street, and me I go help people in the street. Me I talk about Jamaica, me I talk about other region. See, some of the people have to support the movement. People, whatever you can donate to the movement, because this year, as I talked before, I'm not doing no back to school treat this year. My viewers and subscribers is a different movement. Me I go help some less fortunate than the street, because I don't know how the school thing go. See, most people now go back to school and them thing the people from them time until now. See, that be online something I go on. So when we don't normally give a book and pencil and bag and them not use them right now, because we know some of the kids already do the back to school treat for last year. Them still have them new brands in. So now people, we have to help some people who have it tough, who have it hard, who are suffer, who have go through the roughness and the struggles and this and that is straight. So I want to please support the movement, people, because if we take the trip in August to September, people, and please support the movement. Please, me I beg you know. When it comes to boom on the donate, nothing through PayPal, anything, people. I want to say new link, this after that, people. I will start off a thing. Seeing so we want to get as much as can, people, and support the movement. Please, 100% real. Because I don't know the attacking basket to work. Anything when me I do, people, funded through me or by me when me I do, you know, say 100%. Legit. Legit.